Baby bassinet with music box and wheels for newborn baby infant safety portable bedside sleeper. Safe and convenient, our convertible changing side sleeper portable cribs bassinet is ideal for traveling newborns, infants, toddlers and babies. Safe for car travel outdoor, day and night. It also allows you to easily move it anywhere with sleek wheels design. 9 height position adjustment. Our bedside crib can adjust to 9 different height setting adjustments, and with a strong, sturdy aluminum frame with dimensions of H39.50 x L35.04 x W 28.35 inches with a weight of 19.8 pounds, which lightweight enough to move from room to room to make delight sleeping and breastfeeding a breeze. Detachable side panel. A must-have multi-purpose baby furniture and round-the-clock table care with our multifunctional bedside sleeper with our baby cot that provides good air circulation clearance and deals with double mesh detachable side. ADOVEL baby bassinet bedside crib, pack and play with mattress, diaper changer and pliers from newborn to toddles. Peaceful co-sleeping time. A full-size ADOVEL pack and play can turn into the bedside sleeper with the side zipper down for C-section ace mothers. Take care of your babe even in the midnight instead of moving drastically. 3 adjustable height design which meets safety standards. Spacious entertainment space. The bottom layer can be used as a pliard, available from baby to toddles, 0 to 3 years old. Provide the closer space for mother-infant interaction. Handy diaper changer. Diaper stacker help you change diapers and feeding no longer backache. You can fetch the diaper or the milk bottle from the side organizer for the temporarily need. For mom's mamaRoo sleep bassinet, Bluetooth baby bassinets and furniture with 5 unique motions for built-in white noise options. Birch. Firm, flat sleep surface. Mesh sides for visibility and airflow. Toolless assembly. 5 unique motions to soothe and improve sleep. Bluetooth-enabled. Control all features via the 4Moms app. For sounds, ocean, fan, SHH, and rain.